At Stafford House International, we care. We want our students to feel safe and confident about learning at any of our schools. Therefore, we pledge to protect our school communities through a variety of measures. We can meet you at the airport and provide a safe transfer to your accommodation. Drivers will have completed COVID-19 health and safety training, wear face masks and use sanitised vehicles. If a quarantine period is imposed by authorities, you will be safely isolated in your accommodation. Our Student Services team will monitor the health and well-being of our school community. You will be briefed on health, hygiene and well-being. You will receive a care kit with essential items. Your kit will include face masks, hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes. Hand sanitizer gel will be freely available around our schools. There will be daily temperature checks using infrared technology. If you display COVID-19 symptoms, you will be required to isolate in your accommodation. And our team will prescribe relevant care and consult with local healthcare advisors and doctors. Before our schools reopen, staff will receive health and safety training. We will ensure students study in a safe, clean and protected school. In order to maintain social distancing, we will manage the flow of students through the school, limit class sizes, adjust classroom seating, stagger timetables and break times. We will clean and sanitise our schools frequently, and we will restrict excursions, outside visitors and control deliveries. We guarantee an outstanding learning experience at Stafford House. If quarantine measures are in place on arrival, we will isolate students in their accommodation. Your induction will start online before face-to-face classes and activities begin, giving you the opportunity to make new friends and start your learning. If you display symptoms of COVID-19 at any time, we will isolate you safely in your accommodation so you can continue your studies online. At Stafford House, we care.